I'm John Cohen, and this is My Tech. How important is your data? Those photos, videos, documents that you've made throughout your life. Stuff that you're keeping on your phone, your tablet, your computer. What if one day they were all gone, vanished, deleted? Well, with World Backup Day here, it is important to remember that on March 31st, you should be backing up all of your data. Even the stuff that you don't think is important may one day actually be important. April 1st, one of the biggest days for hacks on people's computers. You don't want to be a victim that loses all your data. Instead, do something proactive this year and back up your information. Whether it be using cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, backup services like Backblaze, or just something like an external hard drive. Whether it be a portable hard drive or a big desktop version, either one is great. Of course, you can use something like the Synology, the Drobo, or the Amber, which goes ahead and gives you your own private cloud backup system. Windows has the backup service built right into their systems, so you just have to plug in an external hard drive and ask Windows to back up, and on Mac, just use a time machine. Super easy to do and super worthwhile. You don't want to go ahead and experience the costs involved with data recovery. Maybe you get bit locked, so you get all your information locked up and you can't access it. You know, like what's happened to many schools and hospitals and government institutes in the last few years. Don't fall victim. Do yourself a great service and back up your data today. It's easy to do. And remember, 3 backups. 1 being on an external device that you keep, 1 being in the cloud, and 1 being somewhere off-site, maybe at your parents' house or your cousin's house. So you have 2 drives that you'll back up, and then 1 using cloud service. All in all, do the right thing and keep yourself safe this year. Don't fall victim. It's not worth it. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.